Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your LG K41s, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down and click on the lock screen and security. Tap on the select screen lock. Right now we have to draw the pattern, and maybe you can change it for pin. So here's the options to security startup. So we have to select that you want to require the pin when you turn on the phone. I will stay with the no thanks, then click on the next. And right now we have to set our pin. In my case it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tap on the next and confirm with the same pin. Click on the OK once again. And right now we are going to check if it is working. So lock our device, unlock, and right now we have to input our code. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.